Okay, modeling exercise number 3 is modifying existing features. So we're going to end up opening up a new file in Fusion 360, and we're going to open up from the basic training folder, basic training, modeling, canoe. Close that to give ourselves some more space. And we've got a short slide deck. So first thing we're going to do is to create a curved contour at the ends of the canoe. You have to edit the sweep by double clicking it in the timeline. This is why using a timeline is such an amazing tool. When you need to go back to make an edit to something, make a change, what it's showing right now is there's no curve on the ends. The canoe is just boom, straight up, which is not how canoes are made. They usually have a bit of an arc or flow at the front of them. So if you double click on the sweep, the edit or the options to edit it pops back up. And we want to change the type to path plus guide rail and select the shape sketch in the canvas as the guide rail. So we go back to here, and instead of single path, we go path plus guide rail. And then that should allow us to click on this guy over here. We have to choose our guide rail. And now you end up with a nice curve at the front and back of the canoe. Click OK. First step is done. So now next is to edit the loft feature to refine the shape of the underside of the canoe. Edit profile 2 and change the profile type to point tangent. Set tangency weight to 1. So we want to find our loft feature, which should be here. And just rotate the view cube so you can see both of them. Zoom in a bit, it might make it a little easier as well. So now we want to change profile 2 to point tangent. So over here, if you hover over profile 2, instead of free, we're going to change it to point tangent, and then tangency weight is going to be 1, and click OK. Next after that is we're going to edit a sketch and move the position of the seats to 45 millimeters apart. So we can click on our home button and then our top, drop down our sketch menu, turn on our seat sketch, and then go edit sketch. On keyboard shortcut D for dimension, click on the center of the canoe and then the point at the center of the seat. It's 63 and change millimeters. We're going to change it to 45. It moves them both. Stop sketch. Moves these further in. Next after that is to add a property material. So we're going to use cherry wood. So up at the top in our canoe, right click and go physical materials. Scroll down to your wood tab and then find cherry wood. Drag it over. So you just click on the actual material you want to use. Highlight it over top of your model and it changes it to that. And if we go back to physical properties, or sorry, instead of physical properties, we can see that we have a mass of 6.695 grams. So we're good to go. And we have a cherry canoe completed. So this is a short one. It's only 6 slides and it goes over editing both a loft and a loft feature and a sweep feature. As always, Autodesk.com, products, Fusion 360, learning, training tutorials.